Hello, everyone. My name is Gev. Hope you're all having a great week. It's Friday, April 10th, so let's talk capital. All right, guys, so let's take a look at my three favorite and probably your three favorite stocks. Let's start with Tesla. Okay, we're looking at Tesla monthly right here. Okay, and basically the big picture idea here is one single candle, and it's this candle right here. Okay, that's a gravestone doji candle. Okay, as the name implies, it's a gravestone, which means it's not good. Okay, and it's at the top of a market, and we basically rejected all of this price action up here. Okay, that being said, that means Tesla has no business being above the $700 range. And this candle and the monthly candle after that is proving that to be the point here. Okay, and most of you are thinking, oh, well, we came down already to $350 range. We should see a move higher now, right? Okay, we're basically seeing that move right now. Okay, I called for a short up here at 300, I'm sorry, 950, and the exit was 350, and we missed the exit by what, $4 or $5 or something like that, but took that exit off at 360 and we were good on that, right? But here's the deal. So this is a monthly chart. Here's the weekly. The reason why we're seeing this bounce right now is I keep discussing the 200 week moving average in all of my videos. Okay, I'm gonna keep doing that because this level on all markets is critical. Okay, we came almost to it, but more importantly, what we're seeing is a bounce off of our previous tops. Okay, so this is normal. We're not just gonna glide right through all this price action and go straight down to what is this low at? 180 and even lower over here at like $120. That's just not gonna happen in a straight line. Okay, we're seeing this relief rally after giving back all of these gains that we had, right? After breaking out above the 350, 380 range. Okay, we're seeing all of that is taken off the table now. We gave all of that back. For this to move right back up here to 900, it's just not going to happen, guys. It's just not going to happen. Realistically, I don't expect this to go much higher than 700, maybe 720, which again would be another great option for a short entry. Just I'm not seeing. There's no reason. There's no reason why Tesla should be coming back up to 950, $960, especially not after setting this monthly gravestone doji candle. Okay, this is just a reaction rally, and we're probably going to see somewhere in the high sixes, sevens, high sixes, low sevens again before we continue to head back down. And what that's basically going to do is on the weekly chart and on the daily chart, it's going to set a lower high up here somewhere. If we're looking at this on the daily chart, I would realistically drop a trend line here, looking something like this. Okay, and it's hard to do that not having a real second lower high. But I mean, realistically, yeah, that's exactly what we're looking at. We're looking at about 725 or somewhere around here at like 690 for our lower high to be set. Okay, so we're gonna see how that one develops. But let's look at Apple next. So Apple is doing the same thing as Tesla, except just not in such a violent manner. Okay, so we broke above this $230 top we had here, and that was basically a green light for a rally to whatever we got to here at 327. It was a green light to rally. Okay, more importantly is this, guys. We set a top at 230. Okay, and then we retraced all the way down to $143 here in December of 18 when we had that crash on the S&P where everyone was talking about a bear market, right? We saw it crash down to 143, and what did we hit? We had a perfect contact with the weekly 200, moved higher, and came back and set our lower high. I'm sorry, our higher low. Set a higher low, and then we continued onwards to break the 230 top and move higher to 327. Okay. Now, what happened on the way down? We came all the way down, hit the top, which is now support because guess what? We're above it, right? So when we're above it and you come back down, it's support. Okay, if we were below it and we come back up, like right here, is resistance. Okay, as you can see, this candle rejected until we finally got a break above and we had a weekly test of that level and then we went higher, right? So what happened here is we had a dramatic move down that was then supported by the $230 support level. Okay, and now we're seeing a move higher. Okay, the big thing to look for is this: we have a massive gap of about 312. We have a $10 gap in price on a weekly chart up here near the highs that we made, right? Okay, that means this level is strong resistance now. So this level right here is strong resistance. Okay, so any move higher, if we get to this level, should be rejected by this level. Okay, so here's the deal though. If we do close candles, okay, the candles, the body of the candles, not the wicks, the bodies need to close above these levels. If we do close that, okay, that means that gap is invalidated and we're primed for a move higher. Okay, but until that happens, we cannot be bullish on this because again, this is coming to set a lower high more than likely. Okay, and once we set that lower high, we're going to see a continuation of this move to the downside. Okay, another one of my favorites is Netflix. Netflix, to be completely honest, is looking very healthy. Netflix and Amazon are looking very healthy. I'll discuss Amazon in a later video, but Netflix and Amazon are looking very healthy. Okay, and the reason for this is simple because everybody's at home and you're ordering things online as opposed to going out. And most people order their things online through Amazon, which is why Amazon is doing great. And what are we doing at home right now? We're streaming, right? So Netflix is what most people are on. They just released Ozark. It's a great TV, great Netflix show. So everyone's on there and makes sense for price action to be relatively stable, right? So we're in this triangle pattern here, continuously setting higher lows and setting lower highs. Okay, so basically we're in equilibrium here. Okay, and we're looking like we're rejecting the top side of this triangle again. Okay, so more than likely we're going to move back down to the bottom of it, somewhere between 340 and 325 probably. Okay, which then we would look to long. Okay, if we hold this level. Okay, if we don't, then we're going to see a break of this triangle. Okay, this is almost the exact same deal as we were looking at on Bitcoin. Okay, so anytime you have levels like this where you're in a perfect triangle formation, you're looking at buying the bottom and shorting the top. It's really that simple. Okay, until you get a break of this in any direction, in which case you'll see a nice move. Okay, so if we were to see a break of this, realistically in any direction, you take it from the top to the bottom, and if we were to break to the top side, okay, we would be looking at 541 as a price target on the top side, and if we were to break to the bottom, we would be looking at 165 to the bottom side. Okay, but until that's broken, the only plays here are long the support and short the resistance. Okay, I'm gonna take more time out to look at stocks individually and possibly some cryptos. I don't really like to look at other cryptocurrencies outside of Bitcoin and Ethereum. I think the rest of them are just uh, too much of a gamble. Realistically, no real projects. No, it's just gambling with the smaller cap coins. But we're gonna go ahead and do this more often. Probably make daily videos on a couple of our favorite stocks or things that are important. So next one will probably be Amazon and Google. Reason why I didn't choose those for this video is because they are higher cap coins, higher cap stocks. Okay, so most people, I mean, most people don't really want to put $1,200 into owning one share of a company or $2,000 into owning one share of a company when you can buy these other ones for cheaper prices and own more shares of a company. Okay. Well, again, thank you guys for watching the video. Please like and subscribe if you guys like the content. And I'll see you guys in the next video.